In this video, we listed the 5 best robot window cleaner on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ABIR WD8 Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR WD8 is a smart robot vacuum cleaner designed for efficient and convenient cleaning. It features a 5.5 meter cord length and operates at a power of less than 800 W with a voltage range of 100-240 V. Made of ABS material, this CE certified vacuum cleaner offers smart memory capabilities and can be controlled via remote control or an app. It comes with automatic edge detection, a powerful 3000 PA suction, and offers for cleaning modes. The UPS power failure protection ensures uninterrupted cleaning for up to 40 minutes, while the brushless motor and UPS anti-foul control system provide reliable performance. Additionally, it offers auto, manual water spray, dual water spray, and uses microfiber cleaning pads. The robot also features frameless detection, voice prompts, and operates at a noise level of less than or equal to 65 dB. With a built-in 650 mAh battery, the robot dimensions are 216 by 216 by 62 mm and it comes in a sleek gray color. Number 2. Ultra-Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ultra-thin robot vacuum cleaner window cleaning robot is an electric glass cleaning device designed for home use. This innovative robot is equipped with remote control capabilities, allowing users to easily and efficiently clean their windows. With its compact and sleek design, this window cleaner offers convenience and effectiveness in maintaining a pristine and spotless home environment. The product is a mixing tool with a cord length of 5 meters and a power consumption below 800 watts, compatible with a voltage range of 110 V to 240 V. It is made from a mix of materials and bears the model number N361. The appliance is certified with a CE mark, indicating its compliance with European safety standards. The product is manufactured by the brand Ecovacs, and its origin is mainland China. Number 3. Dual Spray Robot Window Cleaner. The ABIR electric window cleaner, model number H6, is a high-quality cleaning device originating from mainland China. With a power consumption of less than 800 W and operating at a voltage of 220-240 V, this device offers a cord length of 5.7 m for convenient usage. Certified with RoHS, it boasts a power of 80 W and a noise level of 60 dB, making it suitable for areas ranging from 30 to 100 square meters. The cleaner features a water tank capacity of 50 milliliters, a quick charging time of 1 to 3 hours, and a battery life of approximately 10 to 30 minutes. Equipped with a remote control and one-button start system, it provides an attraction force of 2800 power, compact in size at 250 by 250 by 65 mm and lightweight at 1.3 kg. The ABIR electric window cleaner offers efficient and effective cleaning for your home or office space. Number 4. Hobot 2S Window Cleaner. The Hobot 2S is a new window cleaning robot equipped with dual ultrasonic water spray technology, providing efficient and thorough cleaning for windows. This innovative robot can be controlled via smartphone or remote, offering convenience and ease of use. With its advanced features and capabilities, the Hobot 2S promises to simplify the task of window cleaning and enhance the overall cleaning experience. The new Hobot 2S is a cutting-edge window cleaning robot that features dual ultrasonic water spray technology, allowing for efficient and thorough cleaning of windows. With the ability to be controlled via smartphone or remote, this innovative window cleaner robot provides convenience and ease of use. Whether for home or commercial use, the Hobot 2S offers a modern solution for keeping windows sparkling clean without the hassle of manual cleaning. Number 5. Smart Window Cleaner. The window cleaning robot is an automatic household intelligent electric glass squeegee available for direct sales from the factory. It operates on both 110V and 220V voltages and is certified with CE. Manufactured by Oloe in mainland China, this robot offers a sweeping route planning feature with item number HCR02. Suitable for various regions including European, Korean, American, British, national, and Australian markets, the product comes in white and black colors. The window cleaning robot by Oloe is an automatic household intelligent electric glass squeegee, suitable for both 110V and 220V voltage. It is CE certified and offers sweeping route planning. The product specifications cater to European, Korean, American, British, national, and Australian standards.